Hey, how's it going? This is Omega 4, the Racer Company channel, and today is time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Declaration Grooming Perigree. The scent notes of this one is cedar, Himalayan, Scots pine, eucalyptus, leather, dried fruit, and tobacco, which I really enjoy. It's like a very bright scent. I get the eucalyptus. Anyway, smells good. That's all that matters. And for the brush, I just got it yesterday from TRC. The Evo, where's the name? This is the Omega Evo. Look at the pattern. It's a really soft knot. I'm so looking forward to this brush. I always wanted one. And also, just got from TRC yesterday, Apex aluminum. This is the third one that I buy. This one had the Predator handle. This is the latest handle that Caleb has been making for them. With this is the Perma Sharp blade. So looking forward to it. And I'm gonna be dry loading it again. I've just been enjoying it. Now you may be wondering why the hell I've bought 3 Apex aluminum, especially when I have the titanium one also. I also have the stainless steel. But I sold that and gave away to friends the aluminum ones. And I kind of missed it. Just for the black. Just for the black. It's kind of thing. It's also a great shaver. I love how the aluminum shaves too. They are both really enjoyable, no matter the metal that you decide to use or go with. Yeah, it's looking good, but it's a really nice shaver. I enjoy it. Also for the shave of the day picks. Sometimes you want a black razor. It just looks sexy. I think that should be enough. Let me close the lid. Right. Let me get the tips wet. And the face. I need to get a haircut soon. I do it myself, so we'll see. Maybe today I do it. Very soft knot. I'm really liking this knot. And it's a wider handle, so I tend to like wider handles and short wider handles. No trouble starting the lather. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. A little bit more water. Hope everybody's doing well, enjoying life at maximum, trying to not get carried away with the daily life stuff. Life is a journey. We have to enjoy it as much as we can. almost there. Wow, fairly fast. I don't think so far they haven't called me for loads. So I've been working on the house since I had the time. Well, sometimes the thing is that you never know. You never know. But I try to do a little bit of here and a little bit there, just so I don't lose the time in case I don't have work. Wow, very nice. So I've been doing little shorts just to, just for time, because you gotta use the time when you have it. Sometimes I don't have time for nothing because I've been running like crazy, and then everything gets delayed on the house or whatever. Wow. I forgot how good the Apex aluminum is. It's milder than the stainless steel and the titanium. It's a little bit less efficient, but since I shave daily, that doesn't bother me. It's still efficient enough. At least for me. That's one of the reasons that I recommend this razor. It's so good. So good. Yeah. Very smooth razor. Not gonna lie, I kinda missed it. Even though I have a lot of razors, every razor has their own thing, their own feeling. I would dare say no two razors feel the same. Very nice. Good residual thickness. Very nice. Second pass. Very nice. The eucalyptus is the first thing that I get. Very refreshing, especially for this Florida hot weather. It's perfect. Yeah, I don't need to work it. Just keep it simple. For today at least. Instagram. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love this razor so much. I don't know why I gave it away. Well, just to help people get started. I believe this razor is a really good one. The TRC level 2 is another good one. It shaves very similar. Very good. this razor, man. This razor is so good. Yeah. Little bit here. Some spots here. I'll do a third pass. Why not? It's not like come on. Gotta enjoy it. Very nice. Very sleek leather. I don't need nothing fake. It's already there, so. Looking for my trouble spots, because I don't tend to go across the mustache, but with this razor I feel fairly comfortable until you get too confident and snag your lip. And on Friday, I'm going to receive another order for TRC, from TRC. That's going to be the soaps. You're going to see videos on them, of course. Very nice. It looks a little bit pasty, but it doesn't matter. It's going to do the job anyway. As long as the skin is slick, that's all that matters to me. Oh, very nice. Yeah, this one is staying with me. Very nice. Such a nice shave. Very nice. Let me check. Very nice. Yep. All done. Such a nice shave. It's been a while since I used the Apex AL, and my God, still one of my favorites. It's just so smooth and has just the perfect blade feel. So easy to maneuver. It's a great razor. Very good residual thickness from the soap. I did it off my nose. Very nice. Now, time for the splash. You always shake it. couple teeny beeny, not even worth mentioning. Is there any burn? No burn. Very nice. In the splash you get more the cedar. A little bit of the pine. The eucalyptus is not that prominent. I don't know about the leather on the tobacco. It's a very nice scent. Very, at least on the splash, it feels more woodsy. In the soap, I get more the eucalyptus. I don't feel you don't feel like the peppermint or menthol on your face, but you smell it. You smell the eucalyptus. It was a great shave. Such a good shave. The brush performed incredible. Really nice knot on it. Obviously Apex. Such a good razor. This is such a good starter razor. I recommend it to everyone. That's why I gave it away twice. And of course, we cannot forget the base on Declaration Grooming Perigree. So really nice base with bison tallow and all the good stuff for the skin. It was a great shave. Now that will be all for today, and remember, if you have any comments or doubts, please leave them down below. And remember, if you're interested in any of the products that I used today, there's gonna be links for them on the description. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.